All right, so we've got for you some model kits right here. Nice little grouping. These packages have they've seen better days. They've been stored somewhere in a warehouse or a vault or who knows where, but they've gotten some dirt and some wear, etc. You're going to see a little bit of tearing, and I hope that everything is still on the inside. Some of these have some tears where stuff might have fallen out, and that's why I'm going to show you each one. But I want to give you a brief overview. It is Citgo was the not the manufacturer, but the licensor, I guess. So these would have been given away as premiums at the gas station. You go in, you fill up a tank, and as a reward they give you a whole bunch of little model kits, or at least one model kit. That way Johnny in the back seat, he gets a little present and he shuts up for the rest of the trip. So in that regards, it's much nicer than, rewards miles towards a gallon of gas or a hoagie, a sandwich later on. So I'll give them that. That was something to work for. We'll show you the back. Had some information about each of these little cars, and you can see the age of those cars, that they weren't that far away from just being, horse and buggies. They've got the horse replaced. They left the buggy and they replaced the horse with a little engine, a 5 to 6 horsepower. Wow, engine. So pretty amazing that when you look at the history of these very cool pieces. Anything else to say about this other than obviously some wear and tear on the back? Yeah, see, look at this guy. He's starting to fall out, and I want to be careful. So that's why we're going to do these in 8K, and I'll show you each one. Let's start them off. We'll show you... Oh, geez. Already this guy just fell right on out, and I want to put him back so that we make sure. So... what we're going to do is, if you were here in the gallery with us, you'd be able to see these in real time, touch them, feel them, look at them, do what you need to do in order to get the knowledge of what it is, how much do you want it, are you willing to pay for it, etc. So I'm going to walk you through. You're going to see some photos in the catalog, but I really want you to get these 3D looks. So you can see it from various angles. There we go. And you're going to get an idea of what's in there. Like I said, some of these may have been damaged, and it's possible that people have jumped out in the middle of the night, so I'm going to try to give you an idea so you can really see. That way you're making... Yeah, see, this one's still on its runners and sprues. I suspect this one is all there, little tiny bits floating around. And we're going to get a couple of pictures for the catalog real quickly. There we go, that's the front. That's the back, and we do these in 8K because even if they get downscaled to 4K or 1080p even, depending on where you're looking, whether it's the Proxybid catalog or it's YouTube or any of our other places that we might be showing you these, you'll have an opportunity to stop, rewind, zoom in, so that you're really getting the full Monty on these. Now I'm going to try and show you. Again, this one's a little bit tough, so you can see what moves around. All those little headlamps and little pieces like that, they're moving around in there. This is poorly arranged so that nothing kind of moves. Let me see if I can... It's like a puzzle game, huh? There we go. So I want you to be able to see, is everything there? Because we're selling these... Yeah, I was worried that maybe the axles are the piece most likely to fly up and through out any crevice, but they appear to be there. But I want you to use your expertise. Obviously, these are as is, where is, so I want you to have that opportunity to preview and inspect. I don't want you to just rely on a photo. I want you to really know. Now, this is the one right here. This is the other Peugeot that, as I said, big gaping hole. It's nearly torn off the card. I suspect it was never opened, but that just... over time, some of that wear and tear. So I'm hoping that nothing escaped. I do not see those axles. I don't see those axles, so be aware of that. Luckily, it happens to be one that's a repeat of the other one. So if it turns out that they are not in there, and we will check, this came from a single consignor, so we'll check back with that consignor, see if we see anything. But if that should be the case, then I want you to be aware of it, and what we will do is you can just consider it 3 and some bonus spare parts for that. You still come out real good on that collection as a whole. So that's how I would consider it if it were me. If it turns out that those are in fact missing. I don't see them right now, but it's a little, when we're doing the narration and the video, sometimes we miss things. That's why we want you to take a good look for yourself. Like I said, that first one I didn't see the axles, and it turns out they were hiding in the corner just as plain as day. There you go. So we'll finish up with that one, and then finally this last one, the tonneau. If that's in any way close to the way that should be pronounced, I don't know. And we'll get a couple of those. Again, these look much, much better. I think it's just that one that, again, they've all seen better days. We've all seen better days. But I think just that one that you need to worry about any kind of damage or missing. And like I said, luckily that one is a repeat. So you're going to get at least 3 good cars in here. And you're going to get some perhaps extra spare parts in this one. We will take a look around, see if we run across anything for you, but even if we don't, you're getting a good lot right here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and a bonus piece right there. You're going to get all of this in one lot, all one money. All you have to do is head on over to TheBigToyAuction.com. You can see in the links in the description and in the catalog where you can go over and do that. You can join us live on auction day, whichever way you choose to do it. We're going to see you at the auction.